What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your face balls today, we are going to be checking out the latest and greatest box from Northwest Knives. This is the newest stuff coming out of Spyderco for the Collector Club. What I have handy here for a little unboxing knife is my Spyderco Tropin. So we're just going to use that and get into it. Now, I do want to bring up, someone hit me up here a while back and thought that I had opened these boxes before doing it on camera because they saw the clear tape over this brown tape. These boxes got reused by Northwest Knives. They obviously get a lot of packages sent to them. You know, they're doing the right thing and repurposing the boxes. So I appreciate that. But just know that I am opening this for the first time on camera with you guys. So let's get in here and check it out and see what we're working with. And hopefully we've got some cool stuff. I've been so busy with work and whatnot, I have no idea what's shipping. I'm sure a lot of times they send emails, but my wife gets all that stuff. She probably knows what's in here. I, however, do not. Okay. Let me get the paperwork out of the way. Perfect. We've got one little box, one standard box, one large box, and that's it. Okay. So that's what we had in there. We'll just go smallest to large, and we'll check them all out. Here we go. Little box. Okay. I'm not sure what we got here. Just the little, this is the Spyderco Ambitious. Oh, and this one is serrated. This one is in 8CR 13 MOV blade steel. I literally just yeeted this thing across the room trying to open it like that. It's a small knife. You know, I know there's a lot of people out there that really enjoy small knives. Also, the clip is in tip down orientation. There we go. So it is flickable, thumb flickable, all that sort of stuff. But right on. Spyderco Ambitious. Next up. Uh-oh. I'm digging this one already. Let's check out the paperwork on this old girl right here. Okay, so if you would like to pause and read the paperwork, I'll hit the high points real quick. This is a unique Manix 2 produced for Knife Joy. We got 20 CV blade steel and green G10 scales. Can't go wrong with a 20 CV Manix 2. You guys already know the deal. Manix 2 is one of my favorites. Here it is, lime green, 20 CV blade steel, absolutely gorgeous. Man, Manix is such a good knife. Action stellar. Blade centering looks spot on. It's great right out of the box. Makes all the good noises. Right on. Okay. Can't ask for better than that right out of the box for a wonderful Golden, Colorado made Spyderco. We have in this package, I'm not sure what we got. I'm going to guess that it feels like a mule because it's pretty lightweight. Definitely a mule. Definitely a non-stainless steel mule because of this card right here. So that's the warning saying, hey, this thing is probably going to rust on you, or could.
I feel I need a tetanus shot just from looking at it.
Here is the paperwork, if you would like to read it right there. This is Spyderco Mule Team 34, and this is in CPM Rex T15, which is an awesome steel. So just to hit the highlights of this steel really quick, it is a tool steel and therefore should be maintained properly to prevent corrosion. It contains a carefully balanced recipe of carbon, chromium, tungsten, vanadium, cobalt, and sulfur. Its exact composition is 1.6% carbon, 4% chromium, 12% tungsten, 4.9% vanadium, 5% cobalt, and 0.06% sulfur. It says in some formulations of the steel, the sulfur content may also be increased to allow greater ease of machining. That's interesting. I happen to know that this is an older steel that's been around for quite some time. Definitely going to be on the higher end of edge retention. Extreme levels of hardness gives excellent abrasion resistance. Don't see anything on here about the HRC on this one, but I think Rex T15, is probably going to be in the like high 60s range, 68 to 70, maybe, I don't know, maybe 67 to 69 range for HRC. Here it is. Oh, okay. This one's coming out of Taichung, Taiwan, CPM Rex T15. Very, very cool. Mule Team 34. She's a beaut. All right. Well, there we go. We got 3 knives, a Mannix, a Mule, and the Ambitious. You guys know the deal. Anytime we open up new Spydercos on this channel, we're checking edge retention. So let's get into it. Or not, I'm sorry, not edge retention.
I'm stupid. You're smart.
We're checking sharpness right out of the box. You guys know the deal. Anytime we open new Spydercos on this channel, we're checking for sharpness. It's just for fun. And let's see, can you see that? Let's check it out with the Ambitious 8CR13 MOV, little guy, fully serrated. Here we go. Damn! Wow. A 40 for the Ambitious. That's a pretty phenomenal result there for the Ambitious. Next up, we've got the Spyderco Mannix 2 20CV coming out of Golden, Colorado. Let's check it out. Here we go. A 60 on the plain edge knife. So we got a 40, a 60. Now we're going to check out the Spyderco Mule in CPM Rex T15. Just sounds cool, right? Here we go. Rex T15. Okay. There we go. So we had a 40, a 60, and an 85. All excellent results. 3 different factories. We had this one coming out of China, Golden, Colorado, and Taiwan. That's awesome. Spyderco's gotten really, really consistent, doing wonderful, wonderful edges. Here you go, guys. This is the latest, greatest coming out of Spyderco. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'm digging this Mannix 2 and Mule for sure. The Ambitious, not really my size and style of knife, but that little bastard's sharp. There's no doubt about that. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for checking this out. We will catch you next time. I'm out of here. Peace.